today I'm reviewing the iUNIK Beta-Glucan Daily Moisture Cream. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobiusbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, so finally getting to more iUNIK products. This is their Beta-Glucan Moisturizer, which I actually really have enjoyed. So I've probably mentioned it in several videos before, but finally going to do my full review on it. So they say this cream can help to make moisturizing dry skin and improve skin barrier function with beta-glucan, natural moisturizer from mushroom, Centella Asiatica extract, and red fruits complex such as prune, raspberry, strawberry, peach, and pomegranate, which they use their scientific name for pomegranate, which always throws me for a loop. So anyway, so lots of thoughts, some interesting little observations about this one. So my first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. Very simple, effective packaging. There is no denatured or drying types of alcohol in this. Fragrance. It has no scent. However, we'll mention, towards the very end of the ingredient list, it contains myrrh, which is actually an ingredient that has antibacterial properties. It's a natural antiseptic, astringent, and disinfectant. Might be good for acne-prone skin. However, it does have a fragrance to it, which has the potential to be irritating to some skin. I was actually surprised by this because before looking at the ingredients and using this, I was actually kind of surprised because I didn't notice any scent to the myrrh at all. It's towards the very end of the ingredient list. However, if you have very, very sensitive skin, it could be a potential issue. For some people with acne-prone skin, it might be a good thing. So just depends where you are at on the pendulum of your skin. But overall, it's important to note. So the manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use, they recommend applying this after using a toner. And then if you use serums, any actives, apply this after those. But it really is a really nice product. It's got a really nice gel lotion texture, which I really appreciate. That's the one thing I found interesting about a lot of their moisturizers. They have a really nice texture to it. Their Centella lotions really has a nice texture. Their snail cream has a nice texture. This one has a really nice texture. It smooths over skin easily. It sets to a kind of a natural, almost a slightly matte finish that's not greasy. So really nice. No issues with pilling. It works nice in my evening routine. It also works well underneath my sunscreens and in my daytime routine. So very easy to use. No issues at all with that. Okay, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got beta-glucan. I would love to see beta-glucan replace sodium hyaluronate or hyaluronic acid in every single product. It would be just much better because beta-glucan, in addition to being a humectant, it has skin-soothing properties. It also has skin repairing and wound healing properties. It's a great skin soother, moisturizing ingredient, and some studies show it may be good for anti-aging. So I think everyone's skin would be a little bit better if instead of hyaluronic acid, we have beta-glucan because it has more benefits than sodium hyaluronate does. But anyway, that's beside the point. We've got niacinamide, which is now kind of becoming the sodium hyaluronate, replacing it in every product. But niacinamide is anti-acne, skin brightening, barrier repair. Then we've got sodium hyaluronate because it has to be in everything, obviously. Can't have a product without it. It's humectant. We've got arginine, which is a skin identical ingredient. We've got allantoin, which is a skin soothing ingredient. We've got Centella Asiatica, great antioxidant, skin soothing, hydrating, repairing ingredient. We've got betaine, great hydrating ingredient. We've got Japanese plum extract, which is a good antioxidant. We've got raspberry, another great antioxidant. We've got strawberry, which interestingly is more of an astringent, can help with oil control. We've got peach, which is a skin conditioning ingredient. We've got that pomegranate, which is an antioxidant and skin conditioning ingredient. We've got fig extract, skin conditioning and hydrating ingredient. We've got sodium chondroitin sulfate, which is a relative of hyaluronic acid and a humectant properties. We've got licorice root, great brightening and antioxidant. We've got adenosine, cell communicating ingredient. We've got aloe, hydrating and soothing. We've got perilla, fructinous, leaf extract, skin conditioning ingredient. And then we've got yucca, which is also skin conditioning. So a really nice list of great antioxidants, skin conditioning ingredients, soothing ingredients, hydrating ingredients. Really nice, great list of good ingredients in this one. So there we go with that. In terms of animal testing, iUNIK is cruelty-free. Performance, this one is really a nice hydrating moisturizer. I'd say it's probably more geared towards those on the oilier end of the spectrum, but my dry skin really appreciates it. In my evening routine, I'll apply this, then a thicker sleeping mask afterwards. In the summer, it's great as your only moisturizer. It's wonderful because it's not greasy, even if your skin is feeling a little oily or it's really humid out. This doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy or shiny or anything like that. A few acnegenic ingredients to mention. We've got Cetearyl alcohol, hydrogenated polyisobutene, Glyceryl stearate, and then Sorbitan stearate. So we've got 4. So keep that in mind for very acne-prone skin. The next exciting thing, this is the full size, 60 milliliters, 2.1 ounces, and it retails for about $15. You can't get a good deal like that anywhere else. So that is an awesome price for a really nice moisturizer. In terms of the it factor, really like this. Great moisturizer, except for people with the most sensitive skin because of the myrrh. If they would have left that myrrh out altogether, it would have been a huge good thing. But myrrh is one of those ingredients where it's got some good things for certain skin types, but some people may be having issues with it. So I get why some people might want to include in their skincare routine, but if you have very sensitive skin, it could be an issue. So overall, really like this one. With a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one an 8. It's wonderful. I just really appreciate the texture, especially more so in the summer. When my skin is a little bit more on the hydrated side, but still another great one. Works nicely under sunscreen and things like that. And really love the gel lotion texture to it. So anyway, so really enjoying this one. Interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try this one out yet or not. And if you have what your thoughts are. I should do a video comparing all of their moisturizers. Because I've got this, the Propolis, the Centella, the Snail Cream. Anyway, I'll have to do that. But anyway, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.